Okay, today, we can talk about, how to create a master detail for by two ways or three ways, which is Oracle Apex provide us three ways of how to create master detail, right? And
Yeah.
we can also do compare between classic report features and interactive report features, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we can start with um, a classic report features, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I will
Yeah.
create a page, right, has a interactive report.
Yeah.
For sure, we will use our employees table and normal and employees. Unfortunately, this table it just have a 14 records. There is a new tables, new data set, which is have a more than 100 records. So we can see it, but at
Yes.
least, yeah, yeah, make a demo on 14, right? On 14 records, okay.
Yeah.
So this is a interactive report. I will change the region to be right, a interactive report. I will make them
Okay.
in one page, right? We can duplicate the same, right? Um, make it and the same page, the same level. You just change the type of, right, of region to be a classic report. You see some
Okay.
changes, right? Here
Mm.
we have some, okay. First of all, on interactive, I just need to change this to be classic report. Right, interactive report. Okay. What we can do with this two, right? First of all, classic report doesn't have action menu here, right? Just has a this shape, right? So we'll talk about classic report first. I need to just display this as a standard so we can see, right, each title of this. So once you create any report, just take the interactive report. Just take the default template, which is not display the title. Okay, it just depend on the breadcrumb. So I prefer to change to standard so we can see the title of each region. Right here, okay, see classic,
Okay.
and here reports. This is one feature. Okay, let's talk about classic first. Classic, it can be also ordered by any columns, ascending and descending. Just double click. Okay, you will see the arrow headed to down. This is mean it's descending. Okay, if you clicked once again, the arrow will head up to up. So that's mean it's a ascending, right?
Mm.
Okay. I can make the right. I can start. Okay, making some sort. Okay, to be right. By me as a developer, so I can press on department ID and scroll down to sorting here. I will choose one. Remember, if you choose one here, so department, it should be in this. Yeah, it's the first column in the sequence, right? If you choose two, that's mean he will order by department imp number. Okay. So from here,
Okay.
I can do sort ascending or descending. I can do
Mm.
ascending, right? Sortable. That's mean this allow to the user to can double click, okay, sort once ascending and second as a descending. So let's see this. Okay, so it's right by default, it's a order sorry, it's ascending. Okay, we said step number 1, ascending. Okay, let's say ascending. Yeah, I think this should be. Do we have some data? It says null table. No, it's okay. We can choose this to be in here. Okay, order by, okay, item. Order by. I can create item to make the report order by this item. Okay. I can order by static value like I said. Okay, we can type here a static value like depth number.
Okay.
Right, but this will, okay, remove the feature of ordering on each column, okay? But this just for knowing, okay, to know this, okay? I need, okay, to remove this and make it as a, right. I can also inside each department also make a sort to start with a the second, right, ascending. So in each department, he can start to sort for employee number.
Mm.
Okay, just refresh. Oh no. Maybe something it changed in the right here. And we can back just to another page and start to refresh this. I think this is bug, right? Because I removed the okay, we can remove this. Sorting. Oh, yes, sorting, yes. Oh, he closed all, right. He closed all columns because we right to change it to be sortable. So I need to open sortable right here. I just, okay, sort by the second column ascending. Okay, now it should work. Right. So right, it's sort ascending per department, and inside each department it should a sort descending the same. Okay, 7 7 8 2 7 8 7 9. So it's working fine. Okay, inside each department, right, which is 10 here, I start to also a order by employee number ascending. Okay, I can do by a sales descending. So per each department, I will remove this. Okay, right. We can drag this to the fourth column. Then we can, right, choose fourth and make it descending. So now it should get the higher salary on the top per each department, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so right, the higher salary it's 5 and 2,000 then 1,000. Okay, it's the same for the second department. Okay, also we can do some other feature here. It's called compute, right? The compute means okay, I need to some salary, okay, per all reports first, right? So I will see here
Mm.
a total report. If I need to make submission per department, okay, okay, I will go to classic reports. Let's just focus on this. Okay, I will go to the report, okay, then attribute. I have something here, okay, called break formatting, okay, which is no breaking, but I need this to be break by first column, right, which is department. So I can have, okay, submission for each department, okay. So I just make a break by first column, which is department name. So I can have submission per each department. And also I have the total report, which is submission this and this and this. Okay. Right. This is a features of our a classic report. Let's see what we can okay do here in classic report. Report break format. I can add okay labels, right? For each break, you can see dipped. Okay, I think we need a example here for depth total. Okay, we can say right. Let's try this, or we can try this, which is depth number. This is substitution variable. You can type the name of this column, okay, to get the value, okay, like this one. But I think it should work here or not. No, it didn't work because he can't understand this. Okay. We can just say here a total per department. If you need to add more, I mean label, okay, total per department. Right here, total, right, per department. Before, after, total per department. Oh, this is for, right, for the whole, okay, a report some label, sorry, yeah.
Mm.
And report break format, which is we can see the help, enter the text that displays on report break, right, utilization. You can copy this to that word, and let's see what will happen here. Nothing. Tip number 20. I think this is need more example too, right? Here we can add something after each row. We can add something before each row. We can add something like this or something like this. Right. Or we can add some variable. Right here, you see this before and after. Yeah. Okay, what else we can, okay, yeah, I think you've heard about download. You can, right, you can say here we need to download this report and the CSV separator, what should be, we have a something like comma or semicolon, right? Comma, it will be a CSV file, or semicolon to be to download as a Excel file, right?
Yeah.
Link text, okay, you need to change it from download to something else like print or something, okay, or download Excel, right?
Okay.
And the file name, you can change the name, okay, if instead of you download the file as a report name, you can say a salaries, right, or something like this, salaries.xm, sorry, xlsx, right. Here also you can add some sentences before the report title. So you can say this is a total or salaries report per each department, right? Save. Okay. If we just click here, download Excel, right? We'll see the salaries.xls. Oh, but it's still on CSV. And this is the sentences I added. So something like you title the report, you explain something in details. Also, we have something here called printing. If you enabled, okay, you will see a new tab added here, okay, which is you can, right, you can download or print, right, your report to PDF, Word, whatever you need, okay. And also you can change here the page, okay, to be a letter or A4 or custom, okay, a landscape or portrait. It's setting for, right, you can choose the color of the title and etc. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, can you just give me one minute? Okay.
Okay.
This is a title of your report. You can say salary report.
Mm.
Okay. You can change the font of, yeah, of title or column heading and columns also, the size, the color, right, yeah. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you will see something here called print. Right, once you do this, it will print to a PDF because we choose, right, a PDF. Yeah, I think because right here. Hmm. I have issue with my PDF here. So, right, if I open this, okay, it will be like this. We choose something and we have the same sentences we added, and we have a report pagination also. Okay. What else we can see here? You can add something to footer like we added here, right? Um, right. Mm, okay, you can view as a attachment to download or a line to open with the browser. Okay. Right. If you choose another format here, okay, so yeah, you will download the file as the format you selected here. So this is for a classic report. Let's, okay, move to the interactive report, which is have more than features. We can also here create a filter, employee number, okay, or job ID equal this Clark can filter. Okay, we can add more. We can hide and I disable, okay, the column commission right here. So we hide, we can get it back, right, by this. Also we can do some sort. Okay, if you need to sort by department, ascending or descending, and second column should be a job, right? Let's try this. I think we need to display department. We have department, right? But I can't see. Column department should be on. Yeah. Yeah, we have department name here instead of okay. So department ID, right? We can also make some aggregate function. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, just close the window. Okay, we can do aggregate like some salary, okay, or average count, counted distinct, okay, minimum, maximum, okay. I don't know median what do, right? Yeah, just calculating like the count or something. Okay, you can also do a. You can add more. Okay, I mean you can add more and more. We can have a sum salary, right? This is sum salary. Also we can do something more advanced, like compute. Compute, it means you can, okay, you can sum, you can create a new column, okay, which is sum the salary plus, okay, the commission. So let's do this, okay, compute. I will call it salary plus a commission, right, in format like this. You can choose, okay, just click here and click on the column you need, right? So it will refer to F, which is I will do some a calculation or math on F plus, right, a G. Okay, to avoid this, I will add some if you know PL SQL, you will know this. And NVL, it means, right, if the commission is null, so I have to just return salary only. But if I leave it like without NVL, I will get a null value in this column. Okay, so let's try this. I think, yeah, I have to add, oh, yeah, the column it's here. So I have here, right, let's say here I have 160, okay, 1,600 and 300, it will be 1,900, okay. Also we can do, right, we can do something called, okay, flashback, which is a great feature here. Okay, if we, right, flashback, it means, okay, if I change the data the last 15 minutes or last 1 hour, and I have a user need to see the data before it changed, okay? This
Okay.
feature, yeah, this feature can do this. Okay, let's say if I change, okay, the salary of Miller, okay, right? I need to change from where is Miller? Okay, let's say Miller, yeah, this one. Okay, let's say Miller, okay, his salary changed to be to 400, right? And I have, okay, right here, I have one user need to see this. If I refreshed here, I will see Miller. Okay, his salary changed to be to 400. Okay, 2,400. I have one user need to see the data for 15 minutes or whatever, yeah, 1 hour. So I can do this. Okay, I can click on data flashback. He will ask me, okay, okay, the time do you display the data? Okay, so I will say just 3 minutes. Okay, I will see Miller here has a right 1,300. Okay, if I change this, I think this is just limit for maybe 1 hour only, or a flashback would allow you to view data as it existed a previous point. I think we just can't say if I said 150 hour, it will maybe, yeah. Um, I think we should read about this. Maybe it can just get the data for 2 hour back, or maybe 24 hours. I think we should look for this. Right? Did you get this point? Hello?
Little bit, not so good.
Yeah. Right. If you, I mean, let's say what your manager, okay, change some data, right? And you were do some analysis on the old data, and you need to see the old data for any employees, okay? Which your employee just changed the data 30 minutes ago, so you can come back here and see the data before it changed. Okay, just you choose data, right, flashback, and say before 30 minutes I need to see the data before it changed. Okay, so he
Okay.
gives me the one, okay, the old salary for Miller before I change it. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, we have also, right, a something called format. We can do break by, right, by department, like we did on classic report, right? So
Okay.
we'll have, okay, we can remove, right, this one, compute, not compute, aggregates. We can remove this, delete, right? So we'll have a summation by each department here, right? Also,
Okay.
we can do, right, highlighted like F, right? Highlighted based on condition if the employee, or if the salary, right, greater than, okay, it's greater than 2,000, right? I change the color, the background to be this color, right? And the font to be this color, right? Pair each row. Okay, save. Okay, each row of this, it's more than 2,000, right? The one it's less 1,000, it's not colored by. Okay, so I can do highlighted on my report, right? I can do also, right, this is rows per page. If I have a page has more than 1,000 record, I can just set here the number I need to be displayed by page, okay? Or can I choose all, right?
Yeah.
I have also chart. Yeah, we can create a chart by chart, whatever I need, okay? Uh, right here, salary and some salary per department, okay? Sort by default or by value, ascending, descending, or whatever. Okay, so let's see. So each department, okay, has a some salary, right? So this is the primary report or view report. This is a chart. I will back to my primary report to remove this. Also this. We can do a group by, right? Group by department or group by a, what should I do? Count, right? How many employees I have, right? Count M. So I will have, okay, each department has a 6 employees, okay, like sales, accounting has 3, research has, okay. I can save this, right?
Okay.
This is an option, so this is a, okay, call count and, right, per department. I will see here I have a primary key and a private report added to this. Back to primary report. Also, we can do something called pivot. Okay, it's like matrix. So we will choose or department against, okay, department as a column against job, right? You can count also employees, right? Okay, like this. So I have a against each department against. Oh, I do the opposite. Each job ID. Okay, how many employees I have and this job ID inside each department. Right, I just have one employee. Okay, which is president. Right, in accounting department, I have 2 employees, which is analyst. Okay, and search department, nothing. I have 4 employees, which is salesman, right? And department sales, and do some a matrices like this, okay?
Okay.
Back to, right, we can save this. We can save this, okay, as a, right, matrix. Right, so I have 2 reports. Right, we can save reports like we did. We can reset any. Okay, if I do here, I can just press on reset, apply. I'm sorry, this one should be reset. Oh, should remove this. Okay. Also what we can do, we can download it like we did. Okay, but here we have a more features. We have CSV, Excel, PDF, whatever. We can send this, okay, by email, by typing your email and CC and whatever, and it will right, it will send email to the sender here, attach the report as a whatever you choose from here, PDF or Excel or CSV. Right. I think we covered all features for interactive report, except one we have the same as we explained, okay, for printing, right? Here we have printing. Here you can do this as a line attachment and also choose whatever the size of printing, right? Orientation, also portrait, and this header and footer text, and some change the color or the font color size and whatever, yeah, we have here, right?
Okay.
Uh, okay, so now I think we covered the difference between classic report, or we can say the feature for each classic and interactive report. I just remember something.
Classic report, we can do number of changes at least. We can't do the number of changes in the class.
It's interactive report. It has more feature more than
Yeah.
Yeah.
Classic report is not having so many features. It was a fixed.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Mhm.
Okay. Right. Yeah. Just one more thing. Yeah. This is related to user MACD. If you just save, I mean, this private report, no one can see it except MACD, but the primary report,
Mm.
all users can see. If you just need, yeah.
Then how to convert? If we want to combine primary and private report, how we can do it?
No, we can't combine. Okay, we just do a new one. But the features here, okay, if Magdi just made some private report and he sees this is more beneficial if he shared with his colleagues. Okay, so the only thing we can do here, right, an interactive report under attribute, we have something here. Okay, it is by default, it's disabled. You can call this save public reports. Okay. So if
Okay.
we just select this to be on, okay. So I think if there are any other users than Magdi will be able to see the private reports. Okay. So you
Okay.
have to enable the save public reports to be a public, not private. Okay. It will be okay, turn to public so anyone can see this, right?
Okay.
The second topic we can talk about, okay, how to create a master detail for. So we have for sure we have two tables, which is department, the master one, right?
Okay.
We have trigger here, okay, to insert the department ID, right?
Okay. Mm.
And we have also trigger to insert a employee number, okay, by database. So we have two table, okay. The table, okay, department, it's parent for employees. So we can create master detail to insert the in two table once, okay.
Okay.
Go back to our application here, right? I will create a table, right? For because this 22. I'm sorry. Master detail, okay, which is I have something called stack, okay, stack theme. I have side by side, I have drill down, okay. So let's try the three ways, okay. So we can create a stack, okay, for we can call it a stack, right? Master detail.
Mm.
A normal page or a model page, I think it's normal. It's better. So here it just asks me for master data sources. So our master table, it should be right department. Okay, if we need to enable breadcrumb and other okay features, we just okay we can do it, okay, or not. The primary key for the master, okay, it's selected by default. Okay, if I have another primary key, I can select it here, right? Then next, and here it asked me for detail source. Okay, the title of region should be employees. Okay, because this is show only related. This is a feature if you have a more than 1,000 table and you don't need to search for all. So I just this is even flagged by default, right? So it just will feature the employee table only or all tables related to this a master, which is department here. Okay.
Okay.
The next, okay, primary key for detail also, it's employee number. And here, okay, the master detail relation. Okay, what is the relation between employee table and department table? Okay, we have a department number, okay, which is this one. Then create the page, right? I think this is something important. You will use it when once you start to working as a developer, right? So
Okay.
we have here a grid, right? Report. Okay, once we select each department, we will see, right? And also we can edit the department name to be a accounting one, then save. Also we can add more employees here, like if I add MACD, right, IT,
Mm-hmm.
okay, 77, I didn't know this is, that, no, should be 7780 because this is, right, and the employee, the salary, right, save, it's okay, make the save, right. So this is something cool. If we need to add a new department here, we can add here and say this is purchase. Okay, purchase debt, right? It's in right, Oslo, right? I don't know Oslo it's correct or not. Okay, we can add a okay, Monica, sales. No manager right here, and this is 9. Okay, whatever. Save.
Mm.
So we were able to add a new department, right? With the new employees, we were able to change department name. Okay, we were able to add, and this is something cool. Once you just click on this, you will see all employee related to this, right? Sales, just employee for sales, and we have operation here, which is don't have any. Okay, we can add one. Okay, Ali, two, two, it will work, not. Okay, 4, save, right? So operation, it's okay. So this is the first, okay, the first format of how to create a master detail. It's called stacked. We can try the second one. Okay, we can create master detail side by side. We can call it a side by side, side by side master detail. Right, the navigation, it will be the same. Remember, I have created one page, number 11, right? And here you should select a department, which is master table.
Okay.
Okay, here ask for the primary display column. What column you need to display? I will display D column, which is the name, okay, department. Secondary display, we can choose location. Okay, detail table should be employee, right? Okay, if you have another detail, okay, a business has a 3 levels like master, detail. So if you have another details, you can choose it. Okay, I think advance here to show something. But I don't know why advance does this. Okay, we can back, then create it right here, lock on this one, then create. Okay, advance it just allow you to do some more features. So we just created one page. Okay, I think he created more than one page. Right, we will see. Okay. So we just create 11. If we back to our table, let's create page number 12 and page number 13. So it's created three, okay, three pages, okay. I will show you how this page will, okay. So if we need to just display all the employee related to any department here, okay, you just click on this and you will see the report, right, which is department name and the location, right, and all employees. If you need to add this name or department information, you just edit. This is page number 12. Okay, you can just change the name right here, and the name is changed, right? If you need to add or change, right, any existing employees, you can just press on this icon. If you need to add more, okay, employees, you can add on this icon. I will add I don't know, 102, the employee number. Okay, I'm Rami, IT, this, okay, and salary should be 6,000. Department, it's okay by default because I am on right here. So I added a one more employee. If you need to add or create a new department, you can add a new department. Okay, analysis, okay. Department, it's in Rome. Okay, create. As I have created, I need to add more employees. Okay, we can add one. Okay, Giovanni, which is Italian or whatever. Okay, sales. And 5,000. This is the ID of the new department. Okay. So you see, once we create here, this is the page number 12. And if we just add here, this is page number 13. Okay. And we here on this report, it's page 11. Okay. I think this is more a feature. You can also reset. Okay. Start from the beginning. You can search here for any department. If you search for sales, press enter. Just you will look for sales right here. Remove, right, search, press enter. It will fetch all, right, all department. I think this is much better, okay, more than this, or it's another way, right? We can try the last one, right? Here we'll create a master detail, down drill. Okay, we can call it a down, okay, drill, master detail. We choose department, then next. Primary key, it's by default selected, and form navigation order. Okay, it will be department name. Okay, this is the detail. I will just plug employee. And for sure.
Stop for today.
Sorry?
We'll stop for today. My son is waking up.
I think, yeah, we finished. We start okay, at 11. We just have, okay, 5 minutes, okay, to complete this. right?
Yeah.
And our session, up to India. Okay, here it's a detailed data source. Okay, the table name should be employees. The next, right? Primary key for my detail. It's employee number by default. Right, the relationship between master and detail. Okay, then create. Right. Let's see how many pages he created. It just 2 pages, one for the report and one for employee. But the side by side, it just create 3 pages. A stack, it just create 1 page. Okay.
Okay.
So a way just create 1 page. The second way, it's create 3 pages. The third way, it's create 2 pages. Let's try this. Okay. Let's drill down right here. We have a report by all department here. We can edit, right?
Okay.
This is our department. You can make it a purchase only, right? Apply
Okay.
changes, right? We can add more employees here, right? We can
Okay.
move between departments by this 2 arrow. Okay, we
Yeah.
can move to sales, move to a research, right? So
Okay.
we can create new department. Okay, other, right, location Egypt, right, create. Okay, we have other here. If we need to add more employees, we can add, right? Okay, Ahmed, just add 1 row. Ahmed, sales, or 7782, this and this. Okay, 3, save changes. So now we covered all 3 master detail ways, and I think all it's clear and easy if you just start to create this, and also to compare and create some reports, classic reports and report. Just let you, I mean, the more you get practice, the more you get
You.
familiar with tools and understanding everything. Okay, this is the best way to get experience. Okay, to
Yeah.
practice, day by day. Okay,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think this session, it's full of information and
And can you
information.
say, can you share this recording for me, this
Yeah,
class?
yeah, for sure. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.